How to install peel and stick tile
in 5 easy steps.
Whether you are scraping up old tile,
Sweeping a concrete subfloor, adding an underlayment to a rough surface,
or cleaning old tile with a heavy-duty cleaner, prepping your surface is very important.
laying out your tiles allows you to check your design before you begin. You can try different tile installation patterns like offset, brick, stacked, or diamond. A good layout will give you a center point and an idea of how many cuts your project will need.
This is the fun part. Installing peel and stick is beginner friendly and budget friendly. Slowly peel off the backing and place it on the floor. The nice thing about peel and stick is that it comes in many shapes and styles.
The most important tool you need for this home improvement DIY is a box cutter with sharp blades. It's easier to cut your peel and stick tiles with the backing on and use a straight edge to guide each cut. Now you can stick your tile around edges and corners with ease.
A 100-pound roller levels out the tiles and evenly distributes the adhesive to activate a strong bond with the floor. No worries if you don't have one. You can always use yourself to press down the tiles.
If you prefer, you also have the option to grout some peel and stick tiles.
Now you can enjoy the durability and style of your new peel and stick floor. Check out our peel and stick playlist for more info.
DIY Power Couple YouTube channel is your source to help you unleash your inner DIY power.